In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete stickers on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Messages app. Then we can enter a conversation or we can compose a new one by tapping right here. I'm just gonna enter that one. After that, we need to tap at this plus button and then select stickers. That's where we can easily find all our stickers, and let's start with the custom ones. To show them, tap at the icon that looks like that is actually sticker icon, and that's where we can easily find all the stickers we have created by ourselves. And then to delete them, all we have to do is just long press on any sticker. That will show us these options, and then we just need to hit add delete, and basically that's how we can easily delete any custom sticker from here. However, guys, at the top here we can see different stickers packs that was added here by some applications, and we can also delete these packs from here if we drag it to the very right position and tap at edit. That's where first off we can change their order by dragging them up or down in that way. However, if you would like to hide some stickers from here, you need to tap at edit, and that's how you can easily turn them off one by one. Then just tap at done. As you can see, stickers from Fitness app and Memoji stickers cannot be hidden. To continue, tap at done. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.